Jocelyn here, and welcome to my channel, FitMamamiaCooking. Today's recipe is Lontong. Lontong is meat from rice. So first I'm going to cook the ketupat. I cannot get the lontong, so I'm using the ketupat. This is packet of rice. So I'm going to cook for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm going to boil this rice, packet of rice. Okay, so I'm going to cook the rice for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, the ketupat is already cooked for 1 hour. So now I'm going to cook the gravy, kuah lodeh. Okay, today's recipe is lontong. So must have a kuah lodeh. Kuah lodeh means vegetables cooked with coconut. This is all the ingredients of the kuah lodeh: 7 pieces of garlic, 1 inch of galangal, 1 lemongrass, 2 big onions, and 1 small bowl of dried prawns. I'm going to blend it all together before cooking. And this is the vegetables ingredients: 1 small carrot I cut into stripe. This is fresh bay leaves. 1 small bowl of long beans. 1 medium size of turmeric I cut into slices. And sliced cabbage, 1 small cabbage. 400 grams of coconut cream. 2 tablespoons of salt. And 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. This is an additional hard-boiled egg, fried tofu, and fried tempeh I fried earlier. This is the chili sambal and the coconut surrounding. And this is the ketupat that I boiled earlier. Okay, so now I'm going to cook the kuah lodeh. I'm going to fry the ingredients. I'm using 3 tablespoons of oil. And this is the ingredients that I blended just now. And just keep on stirring until the ingredients turn into darker color. And just a little more. See the color turn into darker. Okay, so the ingredients already cooked. I'm going to transfer to the bigger pot because I'm going to add the coconut and water for the sauce. Okay, I'll transfer it into the big pot. Okay, I add in about 6 cups for the vegetable to cook. Okay, so now I can add in the salt, the raw sugar, and the bay leaves. This is bay leaves, fresh one. I can add in the coconut cream. Okay, cover for a while until the water boils. Then I add in the vegetable. Gravy already boiling, so before I'm going to add in the vegetable, I have to try the gravy first. I think I add in a little bit more salt, about 1 teaspoon. Okay, now I can add in the carrots. This is the turnip, sangkwang. This is a cabbage. Add in at one time. So I add in the long beans. Today I cook quite a lot because 8 person to eat. For 8 person to eat. Yeah. Maybe you all wondering why I cook so many. So this is kualode. See, it's colorful. That's why I love to add in a little bit of carrots for the color, the green, orange, and the cabbage white. Okay, so this cover and wait until the vegetable is cooked. Maybe another 2 minutes. Okay, let's check the vegetables. I think it's already cooked. Yeah, this is my kualode. Okay. So now I'm going to add in inside the fried tofu and the fried tempeh. To make it nicer color for my kualode, I'm going to add in the chili sambal oil a little bit for the color. See? Can you see, guys? This is my kualode. Simple, but I need so much ingredients. Okay, so it's done. I'm going to off the fire and prepare. This is a local dish most popular in Malay community. It's time to try. Try gravy. Yum. Delicious. If you like my cooking, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.